What's up, my brother from another mother? It's good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
And good to see you, Taapsee.
There's no tagline for me.
No, you know what I want to ask you? Now, you've of course been well received in Bollywood, and now you're doing a mass entertainer with David Dhawan, who is of course known as the Comedy King. How's it?
Fantastic experience. Loved it all throughout. While shooting with him, on screen, off screen.
Yeah.
I think he has a young kid inside him, and he's younger than all of us are.
Yeah, that's true. Taapsee, you of course are well received in South India, and now you're making your debut once again with somebody probably who's going to make you a mass base. You know, how's it?
It's like I couldn't have asked for a better debut. That's all I say when people ask me how you're feeling. I could have asked for something better. That's all I would say.
Fantastic. Now you take a look at how Aamir Khan felt when he met the British PM, Cameron.
Actor Aamir Khan walked the extra mile to meet the British Prime Minister David Cameron, who's on a 3-day visit to India. Khan, who'd been shooting for Rajkumar Hirani's PK in Rajasthan, joined the British Prime Minister on Tuesday at the capital's Janki Devi Memorial College.
When I was informed about this visit over here, where I was to meet the British Prime Minister, and then I was briefed about the college and the work that the college has been doing, the principal has been doing. And I was happy to be here and meet the students.
While at this college for women, the actor also went on to talk about the status of women in the country.
This is my personal opinion. If we want to really reach the places that we dream of as a country and as a nation, then we have to stop first killing the girl child. Then we have to stop treating the girl child differently. We have to stop, we have to feed her the way we feed the boy. We have to educate her the way we educate our sons. We have to give her health care like we give our sons. So there has to be total equality.
Apart from his TV show Satyamev Jayate, which highlighted issues like female feticide, child abuse, honor killing and the caste system, among others, Khan recently also took on the role of UNICEF brand ambassador for their campaign against malnutrition in India, making him a star mascot for social change. The actor meanwhile feels that performing arts also can act as crucial agents of change in society.
I think on every platform, if we work on this, it will help, whether it's movies, whether it's culture and art. Certainly through, I'm doing the utmost that I can through SMJ, and in the coming season we are taking up various issues and trying to reach out to people, into their hearts.
While the second season of Satyamev Jayate is still in the works, the actor's next role on the performing arts front, Yash Raj Films' Dhoom 3, will be out this December. Entertainment Bureau, CNN, IBN.